Can Bitcoin drop back all the way to 80K levels, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. In today's video, I have amazing news from Australia to all of you guys. Also, of course, great charts, I think 5 amazing charts and an inspirational quote to end the video. Let's kick off this amazing video by giving it a thumbs up already. One of the last videos of this year. It's gonna be a special one. Let's jump into that news first, guys. Bam! The big news from Australia is that it now hit 1,300 Bitcoin ATMs. That's 3.5% of all the ATMs worldwide are now in Australia. Congratulations to Australia, you have now a shitload of Bitcoin ATMs, which means a lot of people with Bitcoin can sell the Bitcoin for cash, but also can buy Bitcoin with cash through an ATM. For all those people that don't know what a Bitcoin ATM is, it's just like your bank ATM where you put in your card, for example, and you get out cash. But now with a Bitcoin ATM, you just don't need a card, you just need your Bitcoin wallet, QR code, you scan that one and you buy or sell Bitcoin at a Bitcoin ATM. Yes, there is always a fee, to be aware that you always check the fees, as those fees can go from 1% all the way to 10% on your transaction, which is a shitload of fees if you ask me for a Bitcoin transaction. But still, if you need to get rid of your cash, 10% is not that bad. There is cheaper ways, for example, in Thailand or Mexico, but if you need to do in Australia, these Bitcoin ATMs are a great solution. How big is the Bitcoin ATM landscape by now? It's growing every year again and again and again. Like the United States of the moment is the biggest one with more than 30,000 Bitcoin ATMs. The second place is to Canada with around 3,000 Bitcoin ATMs. Then the third place is for Europe with around 1,700 Bitcoin ATMs. And now the fourth place at the moment is Australia with 1,300 Bitcoin ATMs. But it's like one country, Australia, which is as big as Europe, has already 1,300 ATMs, and Europe only 1,600 ATMs. That's like 26 different countries. I think Europe should really step up their game and put out more Bitcoin ATMs over there, that so people all have access to a Bitcoin ATM near them. If you want to find a Bitcoin ATM close to you, nearby, there is a couple of websites or apps that you can use. So I'm always using, for example, Coin ATM Radar or btcmap.org. On these one you can find businesses that accept Bitcoin, but you can also find your nearest Bitcoin ATM. So check those websites and apps that they all have there, and you can find where to spend your Bitcoins, or where to buy some Bitcoins, or where to sell some Bitcoins. Amazing news for Australia, they have now a 29-month strike of adding new Bitcoin ATMs. By that, now getting around 1,300 ATMs. Good news. Now, let's jump now into the charts, because today I want to show you what I expect of the last couple of days of 2024 and what I expect for January 2025, and that could be not the thing that you want to hear, but still, I'm here to tell you the truth, and I will also tell you what the rest of 2025 is going to happen, because that is way more important. Let's jump into the charts to show you what Bitcoin is doing today. Bam! The first chart for today, guys, is this 4-hour chart like you used. Look, on this 4-hour chart, we can see where the resistance is and where the support is, guys. The resistance at the moment is this area from 103 to 108K. That is our big block of resistance. The big support area is here from 91K all the way back to like 88K. This is the support block. We are holding the support. Every time you wick to it, you can see the wicks are slowly increasing again. So we can also draw a trend line just to show you what I mean. But look, it's slowly going upwards. We broke that previous level over here in the top support line. That is when we knew, okay, this is bad, we're gonna fall. That's when I told you. Now we fell. We have now this M pattern. Maybe if we go up, it would be a W pattern. Then we have a W. But now at the moment, it's like not too bullish, to be honest. It's even, if you look, a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder, let's be completely honest, which could bring Bitcoin a little bit lower. And my ultimate level of support, guys, would then be that 84K level. Why? I'm going to show you why. because that is the level here where there's a lot of resistance. If you look in the 1 hour and all those charts, there was a lot of resistance in this level to break it. Even lower to 76,000 US dollars is more resistance, but that is what I think that could be happening if we crash. And if we would do that, to give you a complete overview, we crashed from this level over there. If we would crash now, at the moment, it's like a 15% crash. If you would crash to this zone of 85K, that would be a 21% crash. That is not strange for a bull market. A 30% crash is even not strange for a bull market, which would bring us all the way to the level of 76,000 US dollar. During bull markets, I have experienced 40% crashes, 30% crashes, and 20% crashes as well, of course. These 20% crashes have been the crashes during this bull market. So this bull market was always a crash of 20 to 25%. That would bring us, let's say 25%, somewhere to these levels over there, 84K. So that could definitely be happening, but what do you do then? At that moment, you stop crying and you start buying. Simple like that. Now, if we zoom out, we get into the day chart. On the day chart, we can see 3 lines. The blue line, that is the 20 MA. And then we have the green line, which is the 50 MA. We have the yellow line, which is the 100 MA. And we have the red line, which is the 200 MA. These lines are averages, moving averages, and these are often support levels. Now, we broke that first one, the 20. Then we found support on that 50. You can see we found support. Now we broke that 50. What normally will happen is we retest that 50. At 50 is around 96K. If we then can't break it, we will fall further. And then we could fall even to that rising, this one, the 50, rising 100 MA. That would then be around the level of, for example, 84K. Oh, again, that 84K. So yes, 84K-ish is a possibility for Bitcoin. This line will probably continue something like that. And that blue line is probably continuing like this. So this will be the resistance area. If we don't break it, this is the play. If we break it, we come down, we retest it, and then we move on. That's how it goes. One of those options, if we zoom out. Don't freak out. This over there is a huge buy opportunity. Yes, that's what it is. A buy opportunity with an exclamation mark. That is what this is, if that would happen. That would be like the best gift ever for you in January. Because I don't think it's going to happen in today or tomorrow. If that happens, it will be in January, and mostly around the 7th, like the 7th of January. I will keep this chart so I can show it to you on that 7th. 7th of January is mostly the dipping moment if you look back in history. Now, zoom out a little bit more, and you will not be freaking out. You will be understanding that I already drew this chart a couple of months ago. I told you guys, this is a month ago, every candle is a month, so I told you, hey, probably we will dip. Look, I already told you at that moment, 86K level dip. There, you can see it. Then from there, we go sideways a little bit, and then we move up towards the top somewhere, September-ish, October-ish 2025, probably 160K, could also be 200K, we don't know, but that is a moment that we will see a top, we will fall down, we bounce again, and then we have this 12-month bear market till the end of 2026, beginning of 2027. That is what I expect in the long term. And if we zoom out a little bit more on this chart, because then I can show you in the far future, hey, I already showed you on that chart, the next stop will be somewhere there in September 2029 to December 2029, and then the next bear market bottom will then again be somewhere in December 2030, and then the next stop will be somewhere there in November 2033, guys. That is how Bitcoin keeps moving up and up and up. 17 months after the halving will be the top. Now, screenshot this chart if you want. Here I will zoom out so you have all the text on it. I think it's a very good chart that will help you the next coming years. I will make this one a little bit smaller. Yeah, I will just take this one over there. So then it fits all to the chart, all the words and everything there. There, something like this. Now, screenshot it. My face, of course, in the wrong place now, so I'm gonna put my face, bam, gone. Here you have 5 seconds to screenshot the chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a chart that will help you the next couple of years, guys. Now, let's go into some more charts, guys. I have a few more amazing charts for you in line over here. This is the first one over there. Yes, this one. This one is showing you that the market cap, of course, is declining tremendously at the moment. You know, we had that top there, 70 billion. We're now back here around 50 billion. So this is a very beautiful move. We go up, you know, we come down, and then we continue again. That's what I expect. Now, if you look to the USDT dominance that is on this chart, then you can see that what is happening is kind of normal for what always happens when this happens. The USDT dominance is increasing, which means the price of Bitcoin is decreasing. Look, to be clear, the pink line is the Bitcoin price line. The scale is on the left over there. You can see this was when the Bitcoin price was 96. Now we dropped to 94K or something. There is my ticker. You can see it over there, 95. 93,000, yeah, something, 94K. I can't read upside down because I only see the reflection in here. But whatever this USDT market cap dominance increases, here you can see, for example, USDT dominance increases, the Bitcoin price decreases. Here, USDT dominance increases, the Bitcoin price decreases. Now, the USDT dominance is increasing again. So that means that, yeah, the Bitcoin price could decrease a little bit, could fall to those 90K levels that we just talked about, and maybe even to 88K levels. If this USDT dominance keeps increasing, then the Bitcoin price could be decreasing, as it always happens like that. The moment that the dominance will decrease, we will go again with the Bitcoin price, and bam, up, 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 higher and higher and higher. That's the continuation of then the bull market. But what does this mean for the altcoins? Because if the USDT dominance is increasing, to simplify the words a little bit, means that people are hodling more and more USDT. So all those people that earn USDT, they hodl USDT, or they even increase their USDT by selling Bitcoin into USDT or selling Ethereum into USDT. And why do they hodl USDT? Because they believe that the Bitcoin price or Ethereum price or whatever other coin they love could drop a little bit, and then they will exchange their USDT again into Bitcoin and Ethereum. That is also when the USDT dominance drops, as less people have USDT and more people have Bitcoin. Maybe that's a little bit more clear explained for all those people that don't understand what the dominance means. Now, what would this mean for the altcoins? For the altcoins, that means that they now get that opportunity that there will be an altcoin season. You know, when we had that bottom, then we have this pattern, this one over there, we had the same over there, same over there, we broke out already, and now this is what we expect for the altcoins. And why? Because a lot of people hold USDT. They are thinking now, hey, which altcoin shall I buy for this beautiful altcoin market? And that is what drives liquidity into the altcoin market. So they are exchanging USDT for Ethereum. So people took profit in Bitcoin, sold their Bitcoin into USDT. Now, from that moment that they have USDT, they are like, okay, now the Bitcoin dominance is dropping, the USDT dominance was going up. Now, when is the altcoin seasoning happening? Probably after this, because the people will take their Bitcoin profits, pump them in altcoins, run that bull market in the altcoin season, and then again exchange their profit of those alts into Bitcoin. That is the play a lot of people in crypto play, guys. So be aware of that, the correlation between USDT, Bitcoin, altcoins, the dominance of those three determines when the altcoin season has started, and the altcoin season already started for a couple of alts because they already doubled in price, tripled in price. But you know, that's just the beginning of that altcoin season, guys. Let me be very clear. Hope it is clear. If it is clear, give this video already a thumbs up. Now, then we have a more important chart to me, Bitcoin, because yes, I prefer Bitcoin over altcoins. Bitcoin is my king. Altcoins I use to play and to satisfy my greed. Something like that. But this is a very important chart. Why? Because this one shows you very clearly where we are in the halving process. So we are now 17% after the halving. So The halving is over there. It's now 250 days something. That's 70% after the halving. It will take 4 years to get to 100% over there at the next halving in 2028, probably May. Now, what happened the previous 3 bull cycles when we reached the 17%? This was the first time. 17% was over there. From there, we had that second massive run. That was a very big run. That was 1,000% from $100 to 1K, 10x. The second time over there, 17%, we were over there. That was when we were at 1K, a little bit lower, I think it was $900 or $800, all the way to 20K. It was the top of the bull market in 2017. So that's a 20x over there, 10x and a 20x after reaching the 17%. Now the third time was different. The difference is blow off top, distribution top, a double top, single top, double top. Now there at 70% we had a dip. We can see clearly we went into this new all-time high over there. Then we had a dip from 30K. At 70% we moved all the way to 64K. So that was times 2, a 2x. And then we had a dip again, another times 2 to 69K. So this was a double top, but still after 70% we moved up times 2. So 2x. So 10x, 20x, 2x, another 2x. Let's make it a 4x. Now we create an all-time high, that dark spot over there, before the halving. That had never happened before. You can see before the halving, never these dots. Yeah, this is the first halving, so you can't count this because that's when Bitcoin started, guys. Now, here we are at 17%. We created a couple of new all-time highs. What do you think that will happen? Will it be a 2x? Could be to 160K. That's the 2x from 80K to 160K. If you calculate 90K is also fine with me. We are at 90K, then it would be 180K, 2x. Will it be a 5x to 500K? What is going to happen next? The only thing that I know sure is that we will go up. There is not the end of the bull market. The end of the bull market is going to be towards the end of 2025. So this period of time, we will continue this bullish movement. And from there, yes, we will go 12 months into a bear market. And it will take all the way till there. 12 months of downwards movement, probably to around 60K level there. Just like it was 12 months downwards there. 12 months downwards there. 12 months downwards there. The moment we reach the top, I will tell you, the indicators are telling me that we reach the top. I am exiting the market. I, of course, will first inform all the VIPs, and after I informed all the VIPs, we'll inform also the rest of the people through a YouTube video. But the VIPs, of course, always are the first ones to hear. That is why they are VIPs. You can also become a VIP. You go to didibambam.me. Now, one more amazing chart. I think I have one more amazing chart. Yes, this one showing you a little bit better what the price targets could mean if you would ask it to, for example, Blockware. Blockware is also a big company in this industry, of course. They are telling us, hey, look, let's be very clear. The bull market is not at the end. You know, we have 3 options. We have a very bearish option, a base option, and a bull option. Now, that bearish option is 150K. That's that red line. Now, then we have a base option that would be around 210K. Should easily be reachable as a base. Now, then we have a very bullish option, which could go to 400,000 US dollar per Bitcoin. So that is what you can expect in the next upcoming 12 months. That move. One of these 3. So either we almost double, or we double and we do a little bit more, or we go from here times 5. That is what we can expect. Now, then there is also more bullish people. As you know, Plan B is calling for 500K. Some other people, Kathy is also calling for 500K. People are calling for millions. That can take another 8 years in total, in my opinion. I would be very happy with that midline 200K-ish over there. That would be a very good performance for Bitcoin. And then from 200K-ish down 120k, like 60 to 70%, 140k, would bring us to that new bear market bottom of 60,000 US dollar, which I believe could be the new bear market bottom. So 200k for me is the most probable play. 150k is probably completely 100% guarantee. And this over there, the bull, yeah, that one is when we all get too happy and we will pump it to 400k. Now, there is still an option that we only reach 120k, because I always told you 120 to 160, that is when it is very bearish, very bearish. When like a lot of negative news now will come in, like USDT will collapse, euros will collapse, blah, blah, blah. Then yes, 120k could be the top. The top has not been in. 100k was not the top. 108k was not the top. This is just a blip on the chart. This is like this area on the chart. This is like this area on the chart. We are still missing that move. We're still missing that move. That move is going to be over there, guys. Now, that was the last chart. Let's jump into the next part. Bam. I hope you really enjoyed these charts. I don't know if you enjoyed all of the news of the charts, but still, the possibility is there, guys. A 20% dip to 30% dip during a bull market is what we have seen many times before. So from 108k, 30% brings me to 80,000 US dollar levels. So I would not be in shock if I see the Bitcoin price drop to 81k or 84k, which was a huge level of resistance before, so probably a huge level of support now, 84k. I would definitely not be in shock if Bitcoin touches that 84k. You know what I would be doing at that moment? Yes, I would stop crying and I would start buying, as these dips are there to buy, to add more Bitcoins to your portfolio. How do we add more Bitcoins to our portfolio if we are already all in? That's a lot of people questioning me always. How can you buy more if you're already all in? We also earn monthly incomes, guys. Yes, and referral incomes, affiliate incomes, other kinds of incomes, and everything that we earn is USDT or Ethereum or BTC. We convert into BTC in those dips, and these dips I will keep buying them until the indicators tell me, hey, now we are nearing the bull market top territory. This is where you need to watch out, Didi. This is where you really need to start to take some profits. At that moment, I'm not dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin anymore. At that moment, I will dollar cost average out of Bitcoin, so I will be able to buy the Bitcoin bear market bottom back a shitload of more Bitcoins than I sold. That's the game that we are playing already for a couple of cycles, 4-year cycles, 2013, 2017, 2021, and now 2025 the top. We have been in this industry since 2013, so by now I understand these cycles and I know how to read all these indicators. If you also want to learn more about this, then come and join us at didibambam.me. That's the website. We have a Telegram group. Watch out, there's a lot of scammers out there. There's only one website, didibambam.me. You will find all the links to all the Telegram groups on the website. Come join us there and we will educate you on all of this. Make you understand when to exit the market, when to enter the market, short term also as a trader, but also long term as an investor. All of this is built into our educational platform at didibambam.me, guys. Now, that were the charts. Let's jump now into the last part of the video, the inspirational quote for today. Bam. And as the inspirational quote for today, guys, yes, so what should I do? I did so many inspirational quotes already, I'm running out of them. But at the end of the year, guys, at the end of this year, it's always very important to reflect. It's not that this life is ending, it's only the year is ending and you will continue life, but it's always cool to reflect on 2024. What kind of challenges did you face? What kind of changes did you make as a person? Reflect on that. What did it do to you? How did you overcome that challenge? How did you change yourself to maybe overcome that challenge? Or how did you change yourself to maybe change your life? Whatever it is that you did in 2024, please take some time to reflect on that. You know why? Because those will be the backbone of that new page that will start on the 1st of January 2025. Every challenge, every obstacle, everything that you experience in 2024, reflect on it, learn from it, take it as this backbone for 2025 to make an even more beautiful year, even more successful year, even more financially successful year. Whatever it is that you want to become better in 2025, reflect on 2024. Take those lessons with you in your bag, in your mind, and go start 2025 with all those challenges, lessons, whatever it is, positive or negative, as a backbone for that new page that will start in the 1st of January 2025. That is how you make 2025 as well a very successful year. And of course, by subscribing to this channel and watching all my videos, I hope I help you as well, not only investment-wise, but also mindset-wise and also news-wise. I hope you really enjoyed all of our videos in 2024. I know we did a lot of changes from the concept. We started with very long format videos. Now we are shorter videos. Now again do like mid-long videos, like 15 to 20 minutes. Let us know down below how we, the Bitcoin family, can improve our videos. What is it that you would love to see in 2025? What is it that you don't love to see anymore in 2025? Is there a new thing? Is there something else completely different that you want me to add to the videos? Let me know down below. That is how we learn from you. We are making these videos for you, so you should be deciding what kind of content you want to see every day. So please comment down below this video what I should change in the video format, if I should add something, if I should delete something, if I should not delete but add something, if I should make them longer, shorter, whatever it is, the sound quality, the image quality, more family, whatever it is, please let us know down below what we can do to improve our videos for you guys, because we are creating all of this content for you to be learning, but also for you to have fun. So let us know down below what to do. That was it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave that comment. What do you think about the news of the ATMs? What do you think about the amazing charts? And what could we do as the Bitcoin family to improve our videos in 2025 for you? Let us know down below. Thanks for watching. I wish you an amazing Monday, and hopefully also see you tomorrow again at another video on the 31st of January, the last video of the year. Bam!